Hello everybody, my name is Max Berry. That's not good, is it? Hello everybody, my name is Max Berry. You join me here today at Friday Media Group, where I'm here to see Spidersnet, because we're going to be filming some cars, I believe. I have actually very little idea what's going on. Let's get going. Have these bins been there all along?
We weren't going to tell you.
Oh well, it looks edgy. So, as you will have seen, there are numerous cars here, and I'm told we're starting with a Ford. I bet it'll be like a Focus RS, or it's a Fiesta from 1985. The coveted 16 valve LX model. What to say about this? Right, I've just opened the door and I'd say something is missing. Well, I've just got in and this is pretty good. It smells pretty clean. This one has 68,000 miles on the clock and some very useful dials, including a very detailed engine coolant dial. Too cold, too hot, and then in the middle, normal. Look at that. What is that? Because the interior of the door has gone, I'm not actually sure how you open the window. Ooh. Oh, there we go. So all you have to do is hop out when you're on a drive, wind it down, and there you go. Proper handbrake here, so you can do some Scandi flicks on your way to picking up your ASBO. Now I would tell you something about this. 5,000 RPM. Sorry, it's important work. I'm told the gem of this car is hidden in the boot. I'll be honest, I don't know anything about it, but that looks good. Please can we go and look at another car now? So there we go, that's a Ford Fiesta and it's pretty good. Now this is more like what we're after. This is an Audi A5. So if we go ahead and start it. What? That is like you get on a Bentley Continental. Very nice. Now, even though this is the A5 soft top, as you will see, there are also 2 seats in the back. Providing you're willing to saw your children's legs off, they can go in there. How good is that? All fairly as you would expect in the A5, to be honest, apart from this little guy. Let's pull this button. So there we go, it's black, it's Audi-like, it's good. Now, I've never had to do this before in any of my videos, but next, I'm going to talk about a Volvo. Well, the first thing to say is the big proper XC90. This is the big real thing, which is, let's be honest, the one you want. They are good looking cars, these Volvos. They are big, but I think they do genuinely look really good, which isn't an easy thing to pull off because a lot of really big cars look really ugly as well. Especially from the front, I think it's a really good looking car. And rather helpfully, we have this Range Rover Evoque parked next to it, and you can see the difference in size. The XC90 is a big car. Being an enormous car, it needs some enormous rims. Okay, so here we are inside, and the first thing to notice, which I'm sure you will have, is the seats are incredibly brown. The same shade of brown, in fact, as the key, as you can see there. The interior is actually really cool. We've got this sort of tablet thing in the middle. To kick the 2-litre diesel engine into life, we put the key down here, put foot down on the brake, and then you turn this little kind of knob thing to the right, And as with so many new cars these days, the LED display replacing analog dials. So there we go. I genuinely do really like the interior in here. The bonnet is a really big thing. It almost protracts out to a different postcode, but that is part of why people like big cars. If this car were a dog, it'd be a St. Bernard. So there we go, everybody. Thank you very much indeed for watching. My name is Max Berry. My thanks go to Spidersnet here at Friday Media Group. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.